So here we have our immersive crime investigation table. The students can stand here and look at all of this content at the same time and get a real feel for the case. We're able to produce realistic logs from the ambulance service, police service, produce images that the students can increase the size of and scrutinize, make sure that they've got a full understanding of the injury and the assault itself. But we're also able to send in content such as videos, which the students can play and listen to in this environment, which is really helpful from a learning point of view. From the master table, I'm able to send a variety of tasks in. It's limitless, really. I can put statements in from professional witnesses. I can put details of interview content. The images that you see here, all of which has been generated using AI. Characters don't actually exist, which is really useful for us because we haven't got to use makeup or worry about identity issues.